Alright, so today we have out here the poor man's Uzi. That's right. The poor man's Uzi. That's why I call it poor man's Uzi, because I load it from my optic. Check this out. Poor man's, what is it, the Facts and Defense or whatever? Yeah, I'm not buying one of those. Try that again. Last one I missed. Ah, there's the poor man's Uzi. Oh, yeah. Like, subscribe, follow me on social medias, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, 430.com, Gunstreamer, all the others. Thanks for shooting the breeze with me, guys. We'll see you next time. Pew, 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 pew.